Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your VIOFO dash cam. So first you go to the website, just viofo.com, then you click on support up here, and then you scroll down to firmware. This is where you'll select which model you have. So I have the 229 Plus, and then these are the two files. This is the front camera and this is the rear camera. So you just download both of them and then you put one at a time onto the SD card and you just push it into your dash cam. So I already downloaded it, put it on my SD card, and let me show you how that works. Alright, so here we're at the unit and we're just gonna pop this little SD card in there. Gotta use your nail because it has to go kind of far. There it is, there's the click. And then you just turn on the car, or just do 2 clicks. And there it is right there. It's gonna update the firmware. So that's it. It's gonna turn on and pretty much start your typical stuff. Now we're not gonna do any of this. We're gonna turn off the car again, pop it out again. And then we're gonna do the rear camera. All right, so we're back at the computer and we're just gonna go ahead and right click, format, and then hit start, hit OK. All right, and then we're gonna drag the second file, which is this one, I believe. So just drag that right into here. So that way the only thing you have inside your SD card is that right there. And let's go ahead and put that in the car now. Alright guys, we'll put in the SD card. There we go. 2 clicks. And this should update the back camera. So there we go. Now we're going to update the rear camera. And now it's complete. And that's it. It's going to power up, and then you just put in all your default settings, whatever you want to do, like your frame rates and all that stuff, and you're good to go. Hopefully you guys found that useful.